Negative sentences are used to show that something is not true or does not happen. Today, we will focus on strong negative sentences using the word never. Never means not ever or at no time. It helps us express strong denial or refusal. Never is the strongest form of negation. It means not ever or at no time. Use it when you want to emphasize that something does not happen at all, now or in the past or future. The word never replaces the phrase not ever. It is used to make strong negative statements. For example, instead of saying I do not ever eat meat, we say I never eat meat. This makes the sentence shorter and stronger. Look at these examples. I never smoke means that at no time do I smoke. She never lies means she does not tell lies at any time. These are clear and simple negative sentences using never. Never is used for actions that do not happen at any time. It cannot be combined with the word not. Saying I have not never been is incorrect. Always use never alone to make the sentence negative. Never is often used with the present perfect tense. This tense shows no experience of something in life. For example, I have never been to Paris means that at no time in my life have I visited Paris. Here are more examples. We have never met before means no meeting has happened any time in the past. They have never won a prize means they did not win any prize at any time. Remember these key rules. Use never with have or has in present perfect tense. Place never after have or has and before the main verb. Never means not at any time in life. Keep sentences simple and clear.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.